someone they can mold. Like Dharmesh Darshan molded you a lot, right?
Yes.
But did he also mold you physically? Did he put you through the grind of getting your teeth fixed, plastic surgery?
I always had nice teeth. And he did suggest to me that I should have a nose job because he, according to him, he felt that Anjali's character needed to have, you know, that arrogance on the tip of her nose. And I mean, me being so innocent and trusting him so implicitly, I actually went and had it, you know, got it done as well. But not that, you know, honestly, Koel, I just think
you regret it?
I don't regret anything in my life. I wouldn't suggest, you know, plastic surgery with anyone and everyone.
Really? Why?
No, because I just think that it has its effects and side effects.
You can also get addicted a little bit.
No, I don't know about that. That would be a little scary.
Now that everyone talks about plastic surgery openly, especially in Bollywood, it's not such a taboo as it used to be.
It is a huge taboo even now. I think people tend not to talk about it.
And why should they? I don't think.
I would just like to tell the youth that, you know, before you take any such decisions, you need to go. You need to go to the right person. Take the right, you know, take someone's advice, and you shouldn't just do it blindly because it could have its repercussions.
I mean, I'm presuming there's no way you could have known how Big Brother was going to change your life.
Yes.
So what made you say yes then?
In hindsight, I just think that maybe it was part of my destiny. I had to go through it and I had to do it.
But to be honest, when I heard that you had joined Big Brother and the celebrity Big Brother, I went to look at who the celebrities were. I didn't know a single person. I was like,
neither did I.
Why are you? Yeah, so you didn't. So why are you ruining your image by going into a house of losers?
When they approached me for celebrity Big Brother, I thought they were going to be celebrities.
Your wish list. Who did you think? Who did you hope would be there?
Speculations were that there was Justin Timberlake going to be in, Britney Spears was going to be in, and I said, wow, what fun. If you're a busy celebrity, you really don't have the time to go in there. You know, so I guess they obviously go to people who have the time to go in there.
But then what does that say about you?
Not much, because obviously I had that much time to go in.
So was money the big incentive?
No, it was definitely not the be all and end all, but they did pay me very well. So I'm not being apologetic. I can't be.
Why should you
exactly.
be?
So they offered me very good money, for one. Secondly, it wasn't anything that I was meant to do against my will.